So
Is it aesthetic only?
it is not only the outer beauty, but even the inner beauty which matters. It is not only the material abundance, but even the spiritual virtues we should carry among within us. Only then life becomes beautiful. Only then abundance and harmony prevails. So that is the whole purpose of going through life gracefully. That you aspire for this beauty, this harmony, and the perfection in life, which is the Mahalakshmi expressing itself.
And so the theme this time is sincerity. This festival, last time it was unity and oneness. Now we have sincerity. So it's one of the qualities the mother emphasized on. So how do you connect that to
Yes.
harmony and beauty? Where does it
So,
come in?
yeah, so first thing is, only if you are sincere, then you can get to the divine virtues. Otherwise it
When you
is,
say sincere, how do you interpret it as?
you have full transparency, you accept that yes, these are the flaws which I have, and you accept that yes, if the flaws are there, I aspire to work upon it, and if there is something wrong which is happening in me, I really try to reject those movements in my life. That is sincerity. You connect to the highest divine force and not get entangled and enchanted by the falsehood of life. That is sincerity according to me.
Right. And
In fact, Sri Aurobindo says that sincerity is the key to the divine.
oh yes, that's a very good point that you made. Thank you so much.
And the mother says that if you are not sincere, you should not attempt to do yoga. So that is, it is the first and the foremost quality which you should have to really, really see yourself, observe yourself, and work upon yourself.
Right.